Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Wise to Bybit. Here's the step-by-step guide. To transfer money from Wise, formerly the TransferWise, to Bybit, you need to follow a few clear steps. Since Wise doesn't support direct crypto purchases or transfer to crypto exchanges, you will need to go through a workaround. Here's the step-by-step transfer money from Wise to Bybit. Here's a note for you. You cannot send money directly from Wise to Bybit. You must use an intermediate step such as P2P, peer-to-peer purchase on Bybit, or transfer to a third-party bank or card or payment platform that is accepted by Bybit P2P sellers. Now here is the method number 1. Use Bybit P2P and pay with Wise. Bybit's P2P platform supports sellers who accept Wise as a payment method. First step is log into Bybit. Then you have to go to the www.bybit.com, or you can log into your Bybit account or create your account on your Bybit application. Now step number 2 is go to P2P trading. Hover over the buy crypto in the top menu, then click P2P trading, then filter your Wise payout payment. Now select the crypto you want to buy, for example the USDT. So set the fiat currencies like USD, Euro or GBP. Under payment method, select Wise. Then step 4 is choose a seller. Browse sellers that accept Wise. Make sure to check minute per max trade limits, the rate, completion rate, and user ratings also. Now step 5 is start the trade. Click buy next to your chosen offer. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then click buy USDT. For example, we have just take this USDT as the example. Now step 6 is pay via Wise. The seller's Wise account details will appear. Open your Wise app or website, then send the amount to the sellers via Wise. Then confirm the transfer and upload the proof of payment on Bybit. Now receive your crypto. Once the seller confirms payment, your USDT or your other crypto will be released to your Bybit funding wallet. Now method number 2 is use a third-party exchange or wallet. If you don't want to use P2P, you can do is send funds from Wise to a supported crypto exchange that accepts bank transfer like Binance, Kraken or Coinbase. Then buy crypto there, then withdraw the crypto to your Bybit deposit address. Here is the important note for you that Wise accounts may restrict crypto related payments in some region. Take local policies. Only send payments to trusted verified P2P sellers. Always double check wallet addresses when withdrawing crypto. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.